Hello students, I hope you all are doing fantastic out there. So today in this video we will see the laws of logarithm. Okay, before that let us learn to convert exponential form to logarithmic form and logarithmic form to exponential form, and after that we will proceed on to see the laws of logarithm. Okay, let us first learn to convert exponential to logarithmic form and logarithmic to exponential form. Exponential to logarithmic form, logarithmic, and logarithmic to exponential. Okay, we will convert exponential to logarithmic and logarithmic to exponential. Okay, suppose we have 2 cube. 2 cube means 8, isn't it? 2 to the power 3 means 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So this is an exponential form. Okay, this is an exponential form. The power of 2 is 3 and 2 to the power 3 means 8. So if we want to convert this into logarithmic equation, how do we do that? Is log this 8 we write here, 8 log 8 to the base 2. Okay, 2 is base here, 2 raised to power 3 means 2 is base here, so 2 is base equals to the power goes to the right hand side. Okay, which means if a to the power x equals to b, then what we write is log b to the base a. This a will come here as base. Log b to the base a equals to x. This is how we convert exponential to logarithmic form. Now let us learn to convert logarithmic equation to exponential form. Okay, suppose we have log log 8 to the base 2 equals to 3. This is a logarithmic equation, so let us convert this into exponential form. Now we have base is 2. Okay, base is 2. Log 8 to the base 2 equals to 3. So this 2 we write here as base, and the power, okay, power, this 3 comes here as power, equals to this 8 goes to the right hand side. Are you getting me? So this is logarithmic equation and this is exponential form. So if log x to the base a equals to b, if log x to the base a equals to b, then how do we convert this into exponential form? A is base, so this b comes here as power equals to x. Okay, a is base, we write here as base, raised to power b, this is power, and this x goes to the right hand side. Okay, this is how we convert logarithmic equation to exponential form. I hope you got this. Now let us move on to the laws of logarithm. Okay, log a plus log b. Okay, base is not given means we should understand the base is 10. If the base is not mentioned, then we should understand the base is 10. Okay, log a plus log b, then we can write this as log a into b. Okay, so if the base is not given, we must understand the base is 10, so the base will be 10. Log a to the base 10 plus log b to the base 10 equals to log a into b to the base 10. A into b means ab to the base 10. Okay, and the reverse is just true. Log mn to the base 10 can be written as log m to the base 10 plus log n to the base 10. Okay, m into n can be converted into m plus n form. A plus b can be converted into ab form. Okay, the same thing, just the reverse one. Okay, so this is the first law. Second law is the base can be different thing. Okay, like let me explain this. If we have log a to the base x plus log b to the base x, then we can write this as log ab to the base x. Base must be same, then only we can write a into b equals to ab. A into b equals to ab. Base must be same. Okay, so this is the first law. And the second law is if log m minus log n, okay, same base is 10. Okay, base is 10. Log m minus log n, then we can write this as log m upon n. to the base 10. If the base is not given, we must understand the base is 10. So log, if there is plus sign, we multiply a into b. If there is minus sign, we divide m into m upon n. This is division, isn't it? So the reverse is just true. If log a upon b, if we have log a upon b to the base x, okay, suppose log a upon b to the base x, we can write this as log a to the base x minus, upon means minus, okay, log b to the base x. So this is just the reverse of this, okay. So first law, second law. Now the third law is power law. If we have log a square to the base 10, then we can write this as 2 log a, okay. Or let me write in other way. If we have log m to the power n to the base 10, then we can write this as n log m to the base 10. M to the power n means this power n comes in the front, n log m to the base 10. Reverse just true. If we have a log b to the base x, a log b to the base x, then we can write this as log b to the base x. This a goes to power here, okay. A log b to the base x can be written as log b to the power a to the base x. The reverse of this third law, okay. Now let us move on to the fourth law. Suppose we have 2 cube equals to 8. 2 cube means 8. Everybody knows this. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, isn't it? And 8 to the power 1 upon 3 equals to 2. The same thing. 8 means 2 cubed. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. And this 1 upon 3 we have here as power. 3 and 3 cancel. So 2 to the power 1 means 2, isn't it? This 2. So both of these equations are true. And these are in exponential form, isn't it? So now let us convert these equations to logarithmic form, okay. So how do we do this? Log, this 8 comes here as log 8 to the base 2. This is base, isn't it? 2 equals to, the power goes to the right hand side, okay. Now here also we convert this exponential equation to logarithmic equation. So log this 2 to the base 8 equals to 1 by 3. The power goes to the right hand side, isn't it? Now when we observe these two equations, equation 1 and 2 carefully, what happens is log 8 to the base 2, log 2 to the base 8. Log and base are interchanged, isn't it? Log 8 to the base 2 and log 2 to the base 8. Log and base are interchanged. And what happened in the right hand side? The number is reciprocated. 3 was in the numerator, here the 3 is in the denominator. Just the number from the denominator 1 came up to the numerator and 3 came down to the denominator, isn't it? So this means, what do we understand by this is log a to the base b equals to 1 upon log b to the base a, okay. And same thing, log b to the base a equals to 1 upon log a to the base b, okay. When we change the logarithm and base, the number in the right hand side reciprocates, okay. Number from the numerator goes to the denominator. So from here we can deduce the fourth law. So this can be considered as fourth law, okay. Log a to the base b equals to 1 upon log b to the base a. Now fifth law, this is fourth, and fifth law is log a to the base b into log b to the base a. Cross multiplication, isn't it? Log a to the base b into log b to the base a equals to 1. So log a to the base b into log b to the base a equals to 1, okay. So this is the fifth law. Now let us see the sixth law. Suppose we have log a to the base a equals to 1, isn't it? Log a to the base a equals to 1. We know this, log a to the base a equals to 1. Now we multiply both sides. This is equation 1. Okay, we multiply both sides by multiplying both sides by x. When we multiply both sides of this equation by x, log a to the base a equals to 1. Okay, we know this, isn't it? Log of a number to the same base is always 1. I mean to say log 2 to the base 2 equals to 1. Log x to the base x equals to 1. Log 10 to the base 10 equals to 1. Okay, log of a number to the same base is always equals to 1. Now when we multiply both sides of this equation by x, we have log x log a to the base a equals to x into 1 is x, isn't it? Or log a raised to power x to the base a equals to x. Okay, this is the sixth law. Sixth law is log a to the base a. Log a raised to power x to the base a equals to x, which means log, suppose we have log 5 to the base 5 whole cube, log 5 to the base 5, log 5 cube to the base 5, then we can say this is equals to 3. No need to calculate, we just write the power 3 here. Okay, log a to the base x to the base a equals to log a to the power x to the base a equals to x. Okay, that means log 5 to the power 3 to the base 5 equals to 3. Log 5 to the power 10, okay, to the base 5 equals to 10. I hope you got this. Now let us see rule number 7. Rule number 7. Suppose we have a to the power log m to the base a plus log n to the base a, then we can write this as a to the power see here, log m plus log n, same base a, isn't it? So we can write this as log m into n. M plus n is m into n to the base a, isn't it? So this gives us mn. Okay, let us see whether this comes mn or not. We have a log mn to the base a, isn't it? So let us assume this as x say. Okay, now we convert this exponential form to logarithmic equation. Okay, this is exponential, a to the power something equals to x, isn't it? This is exponential form, we convert this into logarithmic form. So log, now this x comes here to the base a, this base comes here as base, equals to this power goes to the right hand side, log mn to the base a, isn't it? Now log x to the base a, log mn to the base a, log to the base a, log to the base a, same base, isn't it? Log. So we can leave log from both the sides, x equals to mn, isn't it? So we got mn. So a to the power log mn to the base a means mn. Okay, so this is the 7th law. Now let us see the 8th law. Now a to the power log m to the base a minus log n to the base a is written as a to the power log m upon n. Minus means upon, isn't it, to the base a. This gives us m upon n. Same way, okay, as we did earlier. Let us suppose this equals to x, and we convert exponential form to logarithmic form. Now rule number 9. A to the power log m to the base a plus a to the power log n to the base a equals to m plus n. Okay, because a to the power log m to the base a is m, isn't it? We have see here a to the power log m n to the base a is m upon n, isn't it? Same thing, log a to the power log m to the base a is m. So a to the power log n to the base a is n. So m plus n, isn't it? M plus n, m plus n. I hope you are getting me. This is the 9th rule. And 10th rule is a to the power log m to the base a minus a to the power log n to the base a equals to m minus n. Okay, a to the power log m to the base a means m, minus a to the power log n to the base a means n, which means m minus n. So 11th rule, a to the power n log m to the base a. Okay, this can be written as a to the power log m to the power n, isn't it? N goes to power, this n goes to power to the base a. So this gives us a to the power log m to the power n to the base a, means we can write this as m to the power n, isn't it? This we convert this into logarithmic form. Okay, a to the power log m to the power n to the base a equals to x. See, so we have this in exponential form. Let us convert this into logarithmic form. Log x equals to log x to the base a equals to, this power goes to right hand side, log m to the power n to the base a, log base a, log base a. We leave log base a, so x gives us m to the power n, x equals to m to the power n. Okay, so this is rule number 11. Rule number 12 is same thing, a to the power m log m to the base a equals to a to the power log n raised to power m to the base a equals to n to the power m. Okay, m to the power n, n to the power m. Same thing. Now let us see the 13th rule, and this is the last rule. Okay, 13th rule is log a to the base b can be written as log a by log b to the base x. Okay, log a to the base b can be written as log a to the base x by log b to the base x, where a, b and x are all positive numbers. Okay, log a to the base b can be written as log a to the base x upon log b to the base x. Base must be same. You can write as log a to the base 10 divided by log b to the base 10. Okay, this is the 13th and the last rule. Okay, this was for today. Okay, these are the laws of logarithm. So practice well, stay connected. Okay, I'll be uploading more of the contents like this in the future. Thank you.